This is the Surrey top canopy for the Triumph TR4, TR4A, TR5 and TR250 models. So only applicable to Surrey top models. It's obviously the soft top hood that goes between the front windscreen and the rear screen area. This has been done in red mohair. This is the front here at the moment. As you can see, it's edged all the way around. You then get these gutter channels on the left and right edges, which is used to catch the water and direct it to the front or the back so that it's not dripping in through your side windows. You have the seam across the middle here, you can see. Then the back area here, which has the seam line going here. We supply all the fixings loose, as you can see. Now, obviously on each side here, you have these flaps here, which are used to prevent any water that does get past it to drip outside the car as opposed to inside the car. These also have the fixings on the front and back edge used to attach to the frame, and they are on elastic, as you can see, to allow for flex in the cars. Going to the underside, this has been used with a beige backing to the mohair. We can also offer black. So you can see here all the inner workings. So you've got this pouch here at the front here, which is used for the 3 metal rods that go in there and clip underneath the header rail. So you have one long one that goes down the middle and then 2 shorter ones. In the middle here, you have this, which wraps around the rod that goes from left to right of the Surrey top canopy frame. And you use a couple of these fixings to wrap round and pop together. Then on the back edge here, you have this thick rubber beading, which you punch some holes in to attach it to the framework at the back. Then you have these bits here, which are used to pad out the area at the back there and stop any wind or water gushing in. So that is your set there. Just to familiarise yourselves with the metal work, I've grabbed a few here. So you have this big piece down the centre of the pouch at the front, and then you have a left and a right piece here. They have the holes in them as well, so allow you to clip it underneath the header rail. See our website for more details.